y'all. Hey. What? What is it? Huh?
Now they're officially captured.
Oh. All right. How many are there?
I think there's 8. I think there's 3 bulls and 5 heifers.
3 bulls and 5 heifers we just bought from our neighbor up the road, Mr. Joel. And they are fluffy girls and boys. They are not weaned, so they'll be weaned here. And they'll mostly be replacements.
The 5 females will probably be replacements, and then the 3 boys they'll be cheeseburgers.
So the 5 heifers will be replacements. That makes my heart so happy because we're about to lose 3 mamas.
At least 3 more.
3 older mamas. They're hollering for mama, and there'll be a whole lot of this coming up, right?
Mm-hmm. Glad you got your hearing aids just in time.
I don't have them in right now.
Because she's been talking about all the sounds that she can hear now that she couldn't hear before, and she's going to get a bad taste of what she can hear now.
Well, the good thing is there's an app on my phone where I can turn them off. I can mute them. So when I come down here, I'll mute them so I don't have to listen to them crying. Supposedly, there's one little female that is really friendly, so I'm going to try to stay on top of that. I don't really want her as a pet necessarily, but I want her to be friendly and workable. So we're fixing to give them a bucket of feed and welcome them to Circle C Farms. And we're going to see how this goes. So what we have to do now is go to co-op and get...
We'll get some ear tags, different color ear tags, because they're blown, they're a different group of critters, so I want to be able to distinguish them from everybody else, and get some vaccines.
Yes.
Get some respiratory, some black leg, get them vaccinated, and then we'll come back and castrate the bulls in a week or 2 when they're settled down.
We're going to break them in.
Yeah.
Now, they're walking over here to where the horses are, and they have no idea what a horse is.
Yeah.
So they're very curious and a little nervous about those horses, which is hysterical. So let's go to co-op. Yeah. There's Joe and Buttermilk, and they're checking out the new residents. And there's the new residents finding their water and figuring out who they're going to be playing with for the next few weeks, months. Oh my. We're not sure how old this trailer is, but it was in desperate need of a new jack. And Pa got one and put it on. And here you are, show them how easy it is, Pa. That's it.
And then cranks like butter.
That other one took 2 people nearly to turn the crank. That thing was so old and rusty and wore out. It's a Haul Master. I don't know if
Hobo Freight.
A what?
Hobo Freight.
Hobo Freight.
$150.
Harbor Freight. Haul Master from Harbor Freight. $150 ain't bad for a trailer jack. So the big box farm supply store wants $300 and change. Harbor Freight had this one for $150. So we've been to the co-op to get their stuff, and we're back down here. We got some pretty green ear tags. We're gonna run them through, and we're probably gonna weigh them. Get a good general bill of health on them. They're settling in okay. They're pretty calm, and they've been out and about exploring the little lot. We've got them in a little small lot right now while they wean. So here we go.
All right. 548. Bring him on up here. Bring him on up here.
562, 64. $530. What is it? Ooh, 564.
They're doing pretty good, I think.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah, we ain't got big boy through there yet.
Well, this solid white was out here, but I'm gonna try to get it.
That solid black bull, that's the one we had trouble loading, right?
Yeah. They just tried to kick.
Just got what?
They just tried to kick. They're getting it.
Oh, wow.
694. 698. 694.
Cater when he was born. He was red with a white face.
That one.
Yeah, he was red with a white face when he was born. You remember that movie with Marine O'Hara and Jimmy Stewart where he was taking that bull? We called him
660.
Vindicator.
Oh yeah.
That's what it looked like. That one right there is the one. That little round.
Hey, you might want to click your face over.
Yeah, I knew he got you in the barn. He got you in the barn, didn't he?
Yeah. That's number 5 I'm doing.
Right.
So far, everything is going smooth.
We'll start
So far.
everything to be fine.
There you go. Back up.
We're going together.
You can't do that.
What is it?
Well, she sure enough flipped around backwards.
I know how to turn her back around.
I know you do.
Now you go back this way.
There you go.
Tomorrow's the reunion.
Waiting on the phone.
I'm gonna make some chicken and dumplings.
Some of that cheese
And
good
some
morning.
broccoli and cheese casserole.
Yeah, look good. Good for him. You go. I mean, it's big enough to be laying on that size all the time.
Hey, crazy. She
There's the gate worker.
unloaded that gate.
Smile, Levi.
That's why I didn't.
Yeah.
I don't think her feet touched
There's
the
Pa.
ground till she hit that fence down there.
There's Mr. Hooker that we bought them from.
That's that one got stuck
Jess
in
is
the
the
squeeze.
secretary today,
We bought some.
and he's my wrangler.
I went to Vic and bought some.
She's got her YouTube channel. He's one of my biggest fans. Ain't you, Joel? So they're going to go back in the shade, and
Yep.
they did really well working them. Tyler didn't get kicked or smacked or spit on or... The worst part of it, you didn't get any slobber, did you? We usually get slobbered pretty bad on them big ones. So they're doing good. This is definitely just a little bit easier loading. A lot easier unloading. 8 rolls. And now we'll take this to the barn and dump it. I always love showing y'all the sky in this field. It's always so beautiful. Even if it's straight up sunshine, it's just always beautiful. Let's go. See, what do they call it? A thorn among the roses? Look what Pa found. Out all by itself in the hayfield. Not too much more to go. How many loads you say?
It'll be 8 loads out of here.
8 loads out of here.
2.
And this is number 2. That's load 3. And that's rain. We're fixing to turn them in. Let them have a snack.
Hello, gal. It ought to be scratched out. Yeah. It was in there and paperwork's on Mark's desk. Come on, girl.
Miss Dot, you're wasting it. You're wasting it. Come on, girls. That's the baby, and it don't know what to do. Hi, Panda. Hi, Panda Bear. Come here, Dot. We have to give the horse pony, the cow pony, the pony cow, we have to give him some out there by himself because he won't let the cows eat in here if we don't. So he gets treated a little bit special. And all those out there around him are the babies that are scared to death to eat in here and don't know what to do and don't know how to act. So, well, you could come up here and eat. Looks like a little Tonka toy.
You think he'd let me drive it in the field?
I guess you could ask him. He's going to cut the hay wrap off of it, and then he's going to move the hay ring. Look, there comes Buttermilk.
And
She's excited.
I was about to say, there goes Buttermilk.
Look, Look, she loves that hay. Here comes Joe. Go get it. Go get the net wrap, baby.
He just said, baby, look, he just said, put that right there. Head knocked off. Joe, you better chill your beans. They didn't know what was going on.
Yeah, they did. They're just feeling the ropes. Watch them.
Oh, look at him.
They're just showing out.
Maybe the other day.
Okay, so sleeper thing. This right here is the only one you need to worry about, right? Push it. Forward goes forward, backward goes backwards. This goes to the left, this goes to the right. Okay? All right?
And to stop it, you just let go
Let
of
go.
it.
Okay. So how do I like put it down?
Well, I'm gonna get out in front of you. You're gonna push that green button?
Yeah.
Yep, push it. All right, you're live.
Felt like I was in like a giant robot. That thing is like a giant robot. I want one.
Time for them to get back up on top of that hill. Come on, Rowdy. Leave them alone. And what you're hearing is all the new boys and girls. So thanks so much for joining us here at Life on Helton Creek. We're going to give you a quick rundown. How many rolls of hay did you do, roughly?
North of 1,700.
North of 1,700 means 1,700 or more.
Yeah, I hadn't got the final tally on it. And I'm not actually technically done yet.
You still have 2 more fields that you could technically cut.
I think I'm going to try to cut them.
So what we've done today is shut the horses out to the lot that they were in before full time. We put them a little hay out because there's not a lot of pasture. We moved the weaning calves over so that they can get in the feed barn. which is an all new experience for them. And that is who's making all the noise right now.
We reignited that flame. It was
Yeah.
starting to die down.
It's starting to get better, but
Yeah.
it didn't end up that way. And we brought our girls in to give them a little feed, and they were excited about that.
Yeah.
Except for the calves, and they were too chicken. I think because that horse trailer was there.
Could be.
I think
Could
that
be. They've never been, that little crowd has never been confined yet. So,
and I think
and that's what kind of caused the excitement on reignited the wean calves as I brought them grown cows in.
yeah. And they've got 30 more feet to go explore,
So
right?
they had about hushed, and
Yes, unless they were hungry.
Yeah.
We started out, they wouldn't eat. We'd put a bucket out, and it was a different kind from what they were used to, so they wouldn't really eat it. And now they're 2 buckets in the morning and 2 buckets in the evening. So
it's about 200 pounds a day
in a week, right?
inside of a week. Yeah.
Inside of a week. And we've got one little girl that we're a little bit concerned with. She's kind of small to take off her mama, but
She's starting to root in there and get what she wants. And she's a couple months younger than the rest of them. And I had the option to leave her with her mom for a little while, and it was easier to load her up and bring her home.
and her name is going to be Little Girl. No matter how big she gets, she's going to be Little Girl on our farm. And that leaves us 4 more names. There's just a lot to do always, right?
I've still got probably 125 bales of hay in the field that I got to haul out.
We still got to move hay, try to get that done this weekend. And I'm not complaining. By any means are we complaining, but we've had rain. And the rain has kind of put our hay hauling off a little bit because it's not great to drive through the field when it's muddy, right? Especially with a heavy load of hay. But I'm not complaining.
We needed rain.
We needed rain bad.
Yeah.
We were downright crunchy, weren't we? So, there you go. Anyway, thanks for joining us today at Life on Helton Creek, y'all. We appreciate you. Love hearing from you. Love reading the comments. Love reading the emails. I hope I got everybody's questions answered. I think I did. If not, let me know. And y'all we'll see you next time. Remember, you're never alone. Be blessed.